Donald Byrd, Detroit, Michigan, 6'1", casting for the role of the director. Cut. You get the last part? Okay. That's right. Thank you, ladies. Sweet.
Seemed kind of quick. Sure you got enough?
Don't worry about it, Donnie. I think I got all I need to get the point across.
I'm asking because this...
You want to get on YouTube in the next few days? I know. Same as before. I haven't added to you the day after tomorrow. Same as before.
Man, I'm sick of this snooty-ass nigga. Chill, Don Juan, chill. Keep it professional, Donnie. Cool out, man. Man, fuck this shit. He working for us.
Correction, Dick. Working with you, not for you, working with you. To great effect, too. What do you think, Bacon? Mr. Bone? How many million we make on that last one I did with you fellas? 2? 2.5? What about that last one? 2? 2.5?
We all know what you bring to the table.
All right, then. Hit me day after tomorrow.
Yeah, just don't forget who put you in the pocket. We made you, nigga. We made you.